Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the second and third questions of exercise 11.1 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here the question is to find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. This is a square park and we have to find the area of this park. For finding the area, we need length of one side because we know the formula for finding the area of a square is side into side. But here, length of one side is not given. Instead, its perimeter is given. That is, perimeter of this park is 320 meter. But we know the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. It is 4 into length of one side and here it is given as 320 meter. From this we can find length of one side and thus we can find the area of this park. Now let us solve. Given perimeter of the square park equal to 320 meter. That is 4 into perimeter is 4 into length of one side. 4 into length of one side of the park equal to 320 meter. That is 4 into, instead of this I write simply side. 4 into side equal to 320 meter. Now we have to get the length of one side, that is this side. For that you keep side here as it is like this and we have to take this 4 from this LHS to RHS. Since here it is a multiplication, here it becomes a division. That is side equal to 320 meter divided by 4. Now we have to divide 320 by 4. We can't divide 3 by 4, so take 2 with 3, that is 32. In the multiplication table of 4, we get 8 4s are 32. Then when we subtract 0, here one more digit is there, that is, since it is 0, we can put 0 here. So here we get it as 80 meter. That is, length of one side of this square park is 80 meter. Now we can find the area of the square park. Now area of the square park equal to side into side, that is equal to 80 meter into 80 meter, since length of one side is 80 meter. That is equal to 8 into 8, it is 64, then put 2 zeros. That much meter into meter, it is meter square. So area of the square park is 6400 meter square. Now let us go to the third question. Here the question is, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Here first we have to find the breadth of this rectangular plot of land. Given area equal to 440 meter square and length equal to 22 meter. We know formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Here area is given as 440, that is equal to length is 22 meter into breadth. From this we can find the breadth. Let us solve. Here it is given length of this rectangular plot of land equal to 22 meter. Also area of the land equal to 440 meter. Now here we have to write the formula for the area, that is length into breadth equal to 440 meter square. Here for length we can write the value, that is 22 meter into, for breadth that we have to find out, so write it as B, that is equal to 440 meter square. Now for getting the value of B, that is here we have to get B allowed in the LHS. So we have to take this 22 to the right hand side. Since it is a multiplication here on the right hand side, it becomes a division. So here B equal to 440 meter square divided by this 22 meter. Now we have to divide 440 by 22. 440 divided by 22. Here we are doing long division. Since 4 is less than 22, here we have to put 0, then 0 multiplied by 22, we get it as 0 here. Then when we subtract, it is 4 here. Now we have to bring down 4. Now it is 44. If you know the table of 22, it will be easy for you. Otherwise, try like this. 22 into 1. 1, 2, 2. Here we get 22, but here we are having 44. So try with another number. The next number, that is 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 44. We are getting the same. So here we can write 2. 2 2s are 4. Here we are getting 44. When we subtract, here it is 0. And here one more digit is there. Since it is 0, we can put here. So here we get it as 20. Or we can do the division like this. Here we are going to divide the numerator and denominator by 22. So 22 divided by 22, it will be 1 here. 44 divided by 22, it will be 2 here. Now put this 0 here. So this becomes 20 divided by 1, that is equal to 20. Or if we divide this by 11, we get 22 by 11, it is 2 here, and 44 by 11, it is 4. Then put this 0 here. Now this becomes 40 divided by 2. Again we can divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Now this, write the 0 here. It is 20 divided by 1, that is equal to 20. Or since both the numbers are even numbers, you can start with 2 also. That is, we can start dividing with 2. That is 22 divided by 2, we get it as 11 here. 44 divided by 2, it is 22. Then put 0 here. Now this becomes 220 divided by 11. Now we can divide both by 11. That is 11 divided by 11, it is 1. 22 divided by 11, it is 2. Put this 0 here. That is equal to 20 divided by 1 equal to 20. So for division, you can follow any method which is easy for you. So here the value of B is 20. Now what about m square by m? M square, that is meter square divided by meter, that is equal to m square means m into m, then divided by m. We can cut 1 m here, that is we get m. So it is here 20 meter. That is breadth equal to 20 meter. Here we got the breadth. Next we have to find the perimeter. Now let us find perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular plot of land equal to, we know the formula, it is 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into, here length is 22 meter and breadth is 20 meter. That is equal to 2 into, first we have to add these two. That is 22 plus 20, it is 42 meter. That is equal to 2 into 42, it is 84 meter. That is here breadth of this rectangular plot is 20 meter and its perimeter is 84 meter. Hope it is clear to you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.